A patient is the most important. This is our broad picture that we have also in front of our mind and in back of our mind.
Everything we do, of course, is to improve the human condition. That's why we're all here. So we're always looking for ways to help these organizations get their drugs to market faster so we can get these therapies back to the patient.
We're hearing more and more about the educated, empowered, email-connected, internet-connected patient. There are many chat rooms, there's many educational forums where they talk to each other, and I do think that the industry should encourage it rather than discourage it, because patients are going to talk. And trust me, if the topic of cancer shows up at your breakfast table, you're going to talk. You're going to really want to know as much as possible.
Yesterday I attended a keynote by Jack Whelan, is it? That was a very compelling talk. His perspectives on what's happening from his point of view certainly gives us different ways to think about how we're developing our technologies to be more centered around the patient.
I think it's critical to be exposed to the patient's reality. We unfortunately underestimate this in our work, daily work. To have patients' advocacy groups having a voice and telling us how important is our work, first it's very gratifying, but also there's a great reality check.
Patients are always at the forefront of what we're doing from a safety, compliance and everything else. In terms of initiatives of identifying and really better educating and thinking about the right patient populations for recruiting, that's an area that I think that as an industry, including INC, we're looking at how we do more of and do better at.
At the end of the day, all clinical trials should have one thing in mind: the safety of the patient.
It's not about the first shipment, it's about each and every shipment that needs to be handled in the same important way and needs to be handled with care, because it can always be life-saving for the patient.
That we can think and put in perspective our work and be very humble about what we're doing and what is the real impact on patients' lives.